Hi friends, this is Vivek. Welcome to my YouTube channel Vivek Mathematics Classes. In this video we are going to discuss about multiplication of two matrices.
Multiplication of two matrices. This is very important thing. Okay. So how to multiply two matrices? First of all, here we are given some condition. Let's say you are given let two matrices are consider A matrix is Aij. Order is m cross n. Second matrix B we have given. What is B? Bij. Order is P cross Q. Okay. So first of all, when matrix multiplication is possible, what is the condition for matrix multiplication is possible? So what is the condition? Condition is number of columns in first matrix should be equal to number of rows in second matrix, then only matrix multiplication is possible. So what is the condition? Number of columns in first matrix should be equal to number of rows in second matrix, then only matrix multiplication is possible. Okay, now this is the condition. Now how to multiply? So you have to multiply row by column. You have to multiply in the way of row by column. It means what? Row of first matrix you have to multiply by column of second matrix to get the next thing. Okay, so we'll take one example and we'll understand. Here what we have given, find AB. They are asking product of AB you have to find, and here they have given A matrix is 2 cross 2 matrix. They have given A. What about B? B they have given as 2 cross 3 matrix. Okay, so first of all you have to check whether matrix multiplication is possible or not. Yes, it is possible, because number of column of A matrix is equal to number of column in B matrix. Okay, so what will be this? So this 2 and 2 will be cancelled out. This 2 and 2 will be cancelled out. So what will be order of A into B? Order of A into will be order of AB will be equal to what? 2 cross 3. Order of AB will be 2 cross 3. Okay, so our answer will be a 2 cross 3 matrix. So which format will be there? This AB will be in the format of, let's say I will type C or A only. So number of rows should be 2 and number of columns should be 3. So you will get A11, A12, here A13, and next will be A21, A22 and A23. So this will be the format of the A into B matrix. It will be ordered 2 cross 2. So what we need to do? We need to multiply. How to multiply? Row by column. So what you have to take? You have to take first. So you want to find A11. For A11, here 1 1 they have given. It means first row first column you have to multiply and you have to write here. So this AB will be equal to what? This AB will be equal to, first of all you have to multiply A11 you need to find. It means first row first column you have to multiply. First row of first matrix and first column of second matrix. So we will multiply and write down here. Okay, so this is our first row and this is our first column. So multiply here and we will get the answer. So what we will get? 6 into 2 plus what will be this? 9 into 7. We got A11. Next what we need to find? A12. A12 means what? First row and second column. So from first matrix A matrix you have to take first row only, but from the B matrix you have to take second column. So what will happen? This 6 you have to multiply with 6 and 9 with 9. So what you will get here? 6 into 6 plus 9 into 9. Okay, we got A12. Next we need A13. A13 means what? First row and third column. First row of first matrix and third column of the second matrix. So this third column we have to multiply. So what we will get here? 6 into 0 plus 9 into 8. Same like this we will write second row also. Second row they have given A21. A21 means what? Second row, first column. So from the first matrix you have to take second row, because always row you have to take from first one and columns you have to take from second one. So second row, first column, this you have to multiply. So what you get? 2 into 2, 2 into 2 plus 3 into 7. Next A22, it means second row, second column. So you will get 2 into 6 plus 3 into 9. Okay, what about A23, second row, third column. So you will get 2 into 0 plus 3 into 8, 3 into 8. That's all. You have to simplify this, you will get the answer. So this will be your A into B, AB matrix. Okay. So we will simplify this. What will be our AB matrix? So here what we are getting? 12 plus 9 into 6, 7 will be 63. And here what we will get? 36 plus 81. And next will be 0 plus 72. Next 4 plus 21. Next will be 12 plus 27. And here 0 plus 24. So this will be a AB matrix. So we will simplify again. We will add this. So AB will be what? 12 plus 63 will be how much? 75. Here 36 plus 81 will be how much? Here 7. Here 11. 117. Okay. Next 0 plus 72 will be 72 only. Here 4 plus 21 will be 25. Next 12 plus 27 will be 39. Next 0 plus 24 will be how much? 24 only. So this will be your AB matrix. This will be your AB matrix. Order will be your 2 cross 3. This is our answer. Next, here they have given A matrix you have given and B matrix they have given, and they are asking find AB into B, AB and BA, and so that AB not equal to BA. Okay. So first of all we will check whether AB is possible or matrix multiplication is possible or not first. So what is the order of this A? A is 2 cross 3. What about B? B is 3 cross 2. So if you see here, number of columns in first matrix is equal to number of rows in second matrix. It is equal. So what can we do? We can multiply. We can find AB. So what will be our AB? Order of the AB will be what? What will be order of AB? AB will be 2 cross 2 matrix. AB will be 2 cross 2 matrix. It will be 2 cross 2 matrix. So what will be format? I will write, let's say A11. This will be A12, A21 and A22. This will be your AB matrix. Okay. So we will find AB first. So what you have to do? AB will be what? First you have to write A matrix. A matrix means this one. Minus 1, sorry, 1. 1 minus 2, 3. Next will be minus 4, 2, 5. This is our A matrix. This you have to multiply with B matrix. B is what? 2, 3, 4, 5 and 2, 1. Okay. So if you multiply this, what you will get AB? What you have to do? We need to find A11. A11 means what? First row, first column. So this first row you have to multiply with first column. So what you will get here? You will get 1 into 2 plus minus 2 into 4 plus 3 into 2. This we got A11. Next A12. It means what? first row and second column. So multiply this, you will get A12. So 1 into 3 plus minus 2 into 5, next plus 3 into 1. Okay, now second row we will write A21 means what? Second row first column, second row. So second row from first matrix and first column of second matrix. Okay, so what you will get here? Minus 4 into 2 plus 2 into 4 plus 5 into 2. This we are getting A21. Next A22, it means what? Second row second column. So you will get minus 4 into 3 plus 2 into 5 plus 5 into 1. Okay, so this will be our AB matrix. So what we are getting here? If you simplify this, 1 into 2 will be 2 and minus 2 into 4 will be what? Minus 8 and plus 6. Here what we will get? 3 minus 10 plus 3. Next you will get minus 8 plus 8 and plus 10. Next what we will get? Minus 12 plus 10 and plus 5. So this we are getting AB matrix. If you simplify again, what you will get? AB. Here 2 minus 6, 8 minus 8 will be 0. And here what we will get? 3 plus 3, 6 minus 10 will be minus 4. Next 8 will be cancelled out, 10 will be cancelled. Here 10 plus 5 will be 15, minus 12 will be 3. So this will be your AB matrix. Now we will find BA. We will find BA. So BA will be B into A. First you have to write B matrix. So B matrix is 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1. Okay, what is the order of this B matrix? 3 cross 2. Next we will multiply with A matrix. So A matrix is a 2 cross 3 matrix. This is 1, minus 2, 3, minus 4, 2 and 5. So order of this A is 2 cross 3. So this column of first matrix is equal to row of second matrix. So we can cancel this. So BA matrix will be of order 3 cross 3. So what will be the order of the BA matrix? 3 cross 3. And it will be in this format: A11, or I will write B11, B11, B12, B13, next B21, B22, B23, then B31, B32 and B33. So this will be your format of BA matrix, 3 cross 3 matrix. So we will find out this BA. This BA will be equal to, so first row of the B and first column of A, if you take, then you will get B11. 1 means first row first column. Okay, so we will multiply this. We will get 2 into 1 plus 3 into minus 4. Okay, next B12. 12 means first row and second column. Second column will multiply. So you will get 2 into 2 minus 2, 2 into minus 2 and plus 3 into 2. Next B13, it means first row and third column. So we will get here 2 into 3 plus 3 into 5. Next we will go to second row, B21. 21 means second row and first column. So we will take second row of B matrix and first column of the A matrix. So we will multiply this. We will get 4 into 1 plus 5 into minus 4. 5 into minus 4. Next B22, second row second column. So you will get 4 into minus 2 plus 5 into 2. Next will be B23, second row, third column. So you will get 4 into 3 plus 5 into 5. This is plus. Okay. Next we will come to third row, B31, third row and first column. So we will multiply this. You will get 2 into 1 plus 1 into minus 4. 1 into minus 4. Next 2 into minus 2, 2 into minus 2 and plus 1 into 2. Next 2 into 3 plus 1 into 5. So this will be your BA matrix of order 3 cross 3. So we will simplify this, we will get the answer. So here what we will get? 2 minus 12, and here we will get minus 4 plus 6, and here 3 into 2 6 plus 15. Next will be here 4 minus 20, and here what will get? Minus 8 plus 10 and 12 plus 25. Next third row, it will be 2 minus 4, and here minus 4 plus 2, and next will be 6 plus 5. So this will be your 3 cross 3 matrix, 3 cross 3 matrix of BA. So if you simplify this, we will got our answer. So this BA will be 2 minus 12 will be minus 10, minus 4 plus 6 will be 2, 6 plus 15 will be 21, 4 minus 20 will be minus 16, and here 2. Here what we will get? 12 plus 25 will be 37. Here we will get minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 again, near 11. So this will be your BA of 3 cross 3. Clearly you can say order of AB was 2 cross 2 and BA is 3 cross 3, then it is not equal. And if you, so AB is not equal to BA. Hence we can write. Hence AB not equal to BA. That's all proved. A equal to this, they have given A as 3 cross 3 matrix. Then show that A cube minus 23A minus 40I equal to 0. Okay. So first of all, what you have to do? You have to find A cube. So what will be A cube? Before that you have to find A square. So this A cube we can write as A cube will be A into A square, A into A square. So first of all I will find A square. What will be A square? A into A. So first of all we will find A square. A into A, it means 1, 2, 3, and this will be 3 minus 2, 1, and here what will get? 4, 2, 1. This is our A matrix. Again we have to multiply with same matrix. So 1, 2, 3. Second row will be 3 minus 2, 1, and third row will be 4, 2, 1. So if you multiply this, what you will get? This A square value will be, first of all you have to check whether multiplication is possible or not. Yes, it is possible, because order of A is 3 cross 3 and for B also order is 3 cross 3. So number of column in first matrix is equal to number of rows in second matrix. So it will be cancelled out. What will be order of AB? It will be again 3 cross 3 matrix. So we will find first one will be A11. You have to find 1 1. A11 is first row, first column. So I will multiply this first row with first column. So what you will get? You will get 1 into 1 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4. This we got A11. Next A12. A12 means what? First row, second column. This second column you have to multiply. So what we are getting here? First row is 1 into 2 plus 2 into minus 2, 2 into minus 2 plus 3 into 2. This we got A12. Next we need A13. It means first row and third column. Third column is the last column. So I will multiply this 1 into 3, 1 into 3 plus 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1. Okay. So this we got first row of this answer. So we need next A21. A21 means what? Second row, first column. So this second row will multiply with first column. We will write here. So what we will get here? 3 into 1, 3 into 1 plus minus 2 into 3. Next will be 1 into 4. Again A22, it means second row, second column. What will get? 3 into 2 plus minus 2 into minus 2, minus 2 into minus 2 plus 1 into 2. Next we need A21, sorry 23 means what? Second row, third column. So what you will get here? 3 into 3 plus minus 2 into this, minus 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1. Okay. So next third row, you have to multiply third row and first column. So third row is what? 4 to 1. That you have to multiply with 1, 3, 4. So you will get 4 into 1 plus 2 into 3 plus 1 into 4. Here what you will get? Second row, sorry third row, second column. So you will get here 4 into 2 plus 2 into minus 2 plus 1 into 2. Next third row, third column. So you will get as 4 into 3 plus 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1. So this will be our answer. This will simplify. You will get the A square. Okay. So what will be our A square? A square will be a 3 cross 3 matrix. So this will be 1 plus 6 plus 12. Next what you will get here? 2 minus 4 plus 6. Next will be 3 plus 2 plus 3. Second row will be what? 3 minus 6 plus 4. And here what will get? 6 plus 4 plus 2. Next 9 minus 2 plus 1. Next what will get? 4 plus 6 plus 4. Next here 8 minus 4 plus 2. And here what will get? 12 plus 2 plus 1. So this will be our answer. We will simplify again to find A square. So this will be 6 plus 1, 7 plus 12 will be 19. Here what you will get? 2 plus 6 will be 8, minus 4 will be 4. Here you will get 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 8. Next 3 plus 4 will be 7, 7 minus 6 will be 1. And here 6 plus 4, 10 plus 2, 12. Here 9 plus 1, 10, minus 2 will be 8. Next what we are getting? 6 plus 4, 10, 14. And here we will get 10 minus 4 will be 6. And here 12 plus 3 will be 15. So this we are getting as A square. Now what we need? We need to find A cube. So what will be our A cube? A into A square. A into A square. So I will write A matrix again. What is our A matrix? It was 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Next 3 minus 2, 1. And here 4, 2, 1. This is our A matrix. This one you have to multiply with A square. What we are getting A square? 19, 4, 8. And here 1, 12, 8. And next we are getting 14, 6 and 15. So this we are getting A square. So we will multiply this and we will get A cube. First of all we will check whether matrix multiplication is possible or not. Yes, it is possible because both are of same order. So 3 cross 3 into 3 cross 3. So 3 and 3 will be cancelled out. Answer will also be 3 cross 3 matrix. So this AQ will be a 3 cross 3 matrix. So first one, if you want to find A11, you have to multiply first row and first column. First row, first column. So multiply this. What you will get? 1 into 19 plus 2 into 1, 2 into 1 plus 3 into 14. Next A12 means first row, second column. Second column will multiply and will write here. So this will be how much? 1 into 4 plus 2 into 12 plus 3 into 6. Next we will get first row, third column. So you will get as 1 into 8 plus 2 into 8 plus 3 into 15. Next we need to find second row. Next we will get multiply second row with first column, 8 to 1. So second row, first column. So what we will get here? You will get 3 into 19 plus minus 2 into 1 plus 1 into 14. Next A22, it means second row, second column. What you will get? 3 into 4 plus minus 2 into, this was minus 2 into 12, minus 2 into 12 plus 1 into 6. Next second row, third column. So you will get 3 into 8 plus minus 2 into 8 again plus 1 into 15. So next will be third row, first column. So this third row you have to multiply from first matrix and first column from second matrix. So what you will get here? 4 into 19 plus 2 into 1 plus 1 into 14. Next what you will get? Third row, second column. So you will get 4 into 4 plus 2 into 12 plus 1 into 6. Next third row, third column. So 4 into 8 plus 2 into 8 plus 1 into 15. So this will be our AQ matrix. We will simplify this. So what we will get here? 19 plus 2 plus 42. Next here what we will get? 4 plus 24 plus 18. Next 8 plus 16 plus 45. Next 57 minus 2 and plus 14. Next what we will get here? 3 into 4, 12 minus 24 plus 6. And here what we will get? 24 minus 16 and plus 15. What will be next? So 4 into 19, 76. Here plus 2 plus 14. Here what will get? 16 plus 24 plus 6. Next will be 4 into 8, 32 plus 16 plus 15. So this you have to simplify, you will get the answer. So what will be our AQ matrix? This AQ will be equal to, AQ will be, calculate this. So 19, so if you add this, how much you will get? 19 plus 2 will be 21, 21 plus 42 will be 63. And next what we will get? 24 plus 4 will be 28, 28 plus 18, 8 plus 8 will be 26, sorry 8 plus 8 will be 16, and here 2, 3, 4, 46. Okay, so next will be how much? 61 plus 8 will be 69, and here what we will get here? 14 minus 2 will be 12. So 57 plus 12 will be 16. 57 plus 12 will be 69. Yes. So next what we will get here? 12 minus 24 will be minus 12, plus 6 will be minus 6. Okay, so here what will get? Minus 16 plus 15 will be minus 1, plus 25 will be 23. Okay, next here 76 plus 14 will be 90. 90 plus 2 will be 92. Okay, here what will get? 16 plus 24 will be 40, plus 6 will be 46. And next we will get as 15 plus 16 will be 31, plus 32 will be 63. So this will be our answer, a cube. We are getting a cube like this. So what we need to find? We need to find a cube minus 23a minus 40i. Okay. What we need to find? We need to find a cube minus 23a minus 40a. 23a minus 40i. This we need to find. Let me check that. A cube minus 23a minus 40a. Okay. So I will write here a cube. So what is our a cube? A cube we have got here 63, 46, 69. Here again 69 minus 6, 23. And next will be 92, 46 and 63. This we got a cube minus 23 into a. 23 into a. What was the a? A matrix was this one. 1, 2, 3. So I write here 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 4, 2, 1. Okay. And in this minus 40i. I matrix we know. Since every matrix is 3 cross 3, then this also I will take 3 cross 3. So we will write 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So what we need to do? We need to simplify this. So what we will get here? 63 minus 23 into 1. Okay. And here what we will get? And this also minus 40. Minus 40. Okay. Next, second thing, we will get 46 minus 23 into 2. And this will be 0 only. And here what we will get? Next thing we will get is 69 minus 23 into 3. And here 0. So no need to write. Second row, you will get 69 minus 23 into 69 minus 23 into 3. So here what I have written? 23 into 1. So this was 23. Okay, 23 into 3. So next what you will get here? Minus 6 minus 23 into minus 2. And here you will get minus 40. So this will be, you will get 69. No, 69. 23 minus 23 into 1. 23 into 1. Okay. And this will be 0 only. So third row will be how much? 92 minus 23 into 4. 23 into 4. And here what you will get? And this will be, last will be 0 only. So no need to write. And here you will get 46 minus 23 into 2. This will be 0. So 63 minus 23 into 1 minus 40. So if you simplify this, so you will get as 63 minus 23 minus 40. And here you will get 46 minus 46. And this will be 69 minus, this also will be 69 only. So here what you will get? 69 minus 69. and here you will get minus 6 plus 46 minus 40. So this will be how much? 23 minus 23, 23 minus 23. And next how much you are getting? 92 minus 92. And this will be 46 minus 46. And this will be 63 minus 23 minus 40. So if you simplify again, here you will get 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So we are getting a 0 matrix. This only we need to prove. So prove.
Thank you very much for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel to motivate me for making many more videos. Please write your views and suggestions in comment section of the video. Thank you once again.